Hi, in this quick demo you'll see the full functionality and power of the Patents Real Fast query tool. You'll see how easy it is to use and how it delivers the right and relevant information to you, and all at your fingertips. Once you have finished viewing this video, please try it out for yourself. To start, text from a real patent is already provided for you. First, the PRF query tool uses the text that you provide to extract the right keywords. You can either copy your product or idea description document into the text box, or you can just type it in. If you already know the right keywords you're looking for, you can enter those too. Next, the query engine goes to work extracting the right keywords and ranking them using the PRF keyword algorithm. After the results are returned, you are then able to select which words you want to include in your search. Also notice that the query script is being built automatically as you select and unselect your keyword parameters. Next, select your date range and your patent's filing date, and then your target site. The default site is US Patents Office, but you can search Google Patents, Free Patents Online, Google Scholar, and even Google itself. Finally, let the PRF tool know what type of information you want. If you want a precise description of the actual invention, select Claims. For text descriptions of all drawings, background, and details, choose Specifications. And if just a quick description is what you're looking for, pick the Abstract button. Then click the Run Query button. A pop-up will let you know that the query is going to open up a new window and run the information requested. This pop-up is only for the demo. Once you click OK, the browser connects to your target site and returns the relevant information to you. Take advantage of the right tool that gets you the right information so you can make the right decisions. Patents Real Fast Query Tool. Try it now.